Hello. Um, on Friday, we didn't do much, but we did a little bit of Halloween vocabulary and some questions, and then we did present continuous, okay? No vam fer molta cosa divendres perquè, bé, eren pocs a classe, però vam fer Halloween, aquest vocabulari, vam xerrar d'algunes d'aquestes preguntes i vam fer present continuous, d'acord? Halloween. These are vocabulary words related to Halloween. Són paraules relacionades amb Halloween. Witch és una bruixa, una bruja. A wizard és un bruixot o un mago, un hechicero, okay? A spell és un encanteri, un hechizo. The devil, el demonio, el dimoni. Cemetery és un cementiri. Cemetery, okay? No N, no té N aquí. No és cementeri, okay? Scream és un crit, cridar, un crit. Grito. Shadow, una sombra, una ombra. A nightmare és una pesadilla, un malson. Nightmare Before Christmas, pesadilla antes de Navidad, the movie, okay? A costume és una disfressa, un disfraz, okay? Halloween costume, disfraz de Halloween. Superstitious, supersticioso, okay? Blood, blood, sangre, sang. Vampire, vampir, vampiro. Vampires drink blood, right? Vampires drink blood. Pumpkin és una carabassa, una calabaza. But these ones, the Halloween ones, are jack-o'-lanterns, okay? Un pumpkin és una carabassa, però els de Halloween se diuen jack-o'-lanterns, okay? Skeleton, esqueleto. Torch or flashlight, same meaning, tenen el mateix significat, mismo significado. Torch and flashlight, linterna, linterna. Torch in the UK, Regne Unit, flashlight US, Estats Units, okay? Terrifying, terrorífic. Espantós, very scary, right? Very scary. Monster, monster, monstre. A zombie, zombie. A ghost és un fantasma. And a grave és una tomba. Sometimes cemeteries, sometimes they're called graveyards. Graveyards, sometimes, okay? Then, we talked about this. Do people celebrate Halloween in your country? So, gent celebra Halloween en el teu país? Yes, no. Do kids go trick-or-treating? Yes or no? We don't know. Do you believe in ghosts? Persones fantasmes? What's the scariest movie you've ever seen? Quina és la pel·lícula que més por t'ha fet que hagis vist? Do you like watching horror movies or reading horror novels? T'agrada mirar pel·lícules de por, de terror o llegir novel·les de terror? What were you afraid of when you were a child? A què li tenies por quan eres petit o petita? Have you ever experienced this one? We didn't talk. Aquesta no la vam fer. Have you ever experienced something you couldn't explain? Alguna vegada t'ha passat alguna que no podies explicar? No has pogut explicar? No l'hem fet? Do you have any phobias? Tens fòbies? Who would you like to put a curse on? A qui voldries maleir, maldecir? Curse, una maldición, right? How superstitious are you? Are you superstitious? For example, do you like black cats? Are you scared of number 13? Do you like, I don't know, do you believe in luck? Do you throw salt over your shoulders? Okay. And have you ever dressed up for Halloween? Sí, qualque vegada t'has disfressat per Halloween, okay? So we talked about Halloween, how it's celebrated, if it is celebrated, people have children and they celebrate it, people who don't have children, maybe they don't, okay? And then, present continuous. Havíem fet el present simple. Recordàvem que era per hàbits i rutines i veritats generals, coses que ens agraden, opinions, etc. I era I play football, I don't play football, do you play football? Recordeu? I la S és la tercera persona. She plays football, she doesn't play football, does she play football? Okay. As present continuous for actions right now and temporary actions which include present moment and future plans, okay? Things happening right now, coses que estan passant ara mateix. I am filming this video, estic gravant aquest vídeo. I'm filming this video now, okay? And future plans. I am meeting my friends on Friday. He quedat amb els meus amics divendres because I know I'm meeting them, perquè ho sé, d'acord? Com se fa el present continuous? El subjecte, per exemple, I, més el verb to be segons la persona. Pues si és I am. Si és you are. Si és she, he, it, is. Si és we, is are. Si és you, is are. Si és they, is are. No? més el verb amb ing, més els complements. I am listening to the radio now. She is listening to the radio now. Okay? Molt fàcil. I am listening, she is listening. Només canvies verb to be i el subjecte, no? Negatiu. Subject, again, am not, aren't, or isn't, plus verb plus complements. I'm not listening to the radio, she isn't listening to the radio. O she is not listening. El mateix, d'acord? She is not, she isn't. You are not, you aren't, okay? I les preguntes. Are you listening to the radio now? Is she listening to the radio now? Are you listening? Is she listening? D'acord? Com se respon? Are you listening to the radio now? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not. Si estic escoltant la ràdio, yes, I am. Si no estic escoltant la ràdio, no, I'm not. Is she listening? If she's listening, yes, she is. If she isn't, no, she isn't. D'acord? I we did this exercise. On aquesta pàgina on this website, you can check for yourself. You can do it at home, and you can check if it's, you can check, and you click check, it will correct it, d'accord? So this is present continuous, so we, and this is the verb, positive. We are reading a text, okay? Why are? Because it's we, right? He talk on the phone. He is talking, okay? The cat sleep on the sofa, is sleeping. Cat is it, right? Yeah. They are cleaning the table. My dad is waiting for the bus. I am drinking a glass of water. We are walking along the beach. She is watching videos on her phone. I am helping in the kitchen and the lady is wearing. Okay, so you can check and it'll tell you if it's okay. If it's okay, I'll show like this, okay? So we are reading a text, estem llegint un missatge de text, d'acord? Estamos leyendo un mensaje de texto, un SMS, right? He's talking on the phone, xerra por teléfono, habla por teléfono. The cat is sleeping on the sofa, el gato, la gata està durmiendo en el sofà, el mos està durmiendo en el sofà. They are cleaning the table, estan fent nets a taula, estan limpiando la mesa. My dad is waiting for the bus, mi padre está esperando el bus, mon pare està esperant el bus. I am drinking a glass of water, estoy bebiendo un vaso de agua, estic bebiendo un tazo d'aigua. We are walking along the beach, estem caminant per la platja, estamos caminando por la playa, a lo largo de la playa, okay, along. She's watching videos on her phone, está mirando vídeos en el seu teléfono, está mirando vídeos en el teléfono. I am helping in the kitchen, estoy ayudando en la cocina, estic ajudant a la cuina. And the lady is wearing a t-shirt, la dona, la senyora, okay, senyora, la senyora, lleva una camiseta, okay, d'una camiseta. Is wearing, es por dur roba, llevar ropa, okay. And this is homework. Number 2 is homework. L'heu de fer a la llibreta, si la podeu fer aquí, però per tenir les respostes a classe, d'acord? Vigileu que diu use long forms, per tant, això són negatives, però haureu de posar are not asking, ¿vale? Si poseu aren't, i posem check, us dirà que no està bé. Està bé, però aquí vol tota la versió, d'acord? Tota la llarga. Per tant, haureu de posar are not, or is not, or, okay? Okay, so that's it. See you today in class. Bye!